Namaste, Kalyani. Without video, you can come. Maybe it's breaking. Or shall I read what is religious experience and how do you describe it? Is that the question? No, I think.
Sir. Yes, sir, that is the question.
What is religious experience? Religion is only ritualistic. Religion prescribes ritualistic activities. In Vedic literature, Brahmanas are more ritualistic. In Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda, the Yajurveda is full of rituals. So if you look at religious practices, it is Yajurveda. But the theory what is given is in the Rigveda. So religious practices are generally how do you perform yaga, yajna, day-to-day puja, temple rituals, individual rituals at home, during festival. I think that is what is meant by religious experience. So any festival is a religious experience. Attending a yaga, yajna, daily prayers, they are all religious experiences. Do we need a child like?
No, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, actually, here by religious experience, I mean, you realize something higher. That is, you realize something ultimate, that we call ultimate.
Then it is not religious.
What?
Then it is not religious.
Okay.
It becomes spiritual.
Okay. Spiritual experience. Right,
yeah.
Right.
Religious
so religious more ritualistic.
Religious is always ritual.
Okay.
See, I can have a bhajan. In the bhajan, I will make a lot of people to join together.
Okay.
After bhajan, assume you get into silence and enjoy the sound vibration which we had. That is actually spiritual.
Okay.
You do yoga, that is a physical exercise. That is ritualistic. Everybody does same posture, pranayama, taking breath, taking inhale and exhale, putting your leg in between the legs. Whatever fashion somebody teaches you, this is how you should do it. All that is practical, physical experiences, like exercises. But after that, you get into samadhi. That means you are going to shavasana. And in shavasana, when you close your eyes, the full silence, without anybody guiding you, what is in your thought is an experience of yourself, individualistic.
Okay.
That
so spiritually.
Spiritual is.
Sir.
Sir,
spiritual experience is purely personal.
It is 100% individualistic, personal, inner side yourself, which cannot be measured, which cannot be even be shared. How do I share the taste of water? Everybody will have water, but do you think Kalyani has same taste of water which I have?
No, not necessarily.
Okay, not even that. When I am feeling really thirsty after a long walk, when I take water, the taste is entirely different from sitting in an AC room and watching a television. After that, I am sipping a cup, water. Those taste is entirely different.
Sir.
The water content is what gives the taste for orange. Water content in the apple is what is the taste for apple. If there is no water content, any fruits have no taste at all, right? Do orange has
Sir.
taste if it is totally dried?
No.
Even a dried grapes, when you put inside, when your saliva makes it add to that grapes, it gives a taste.
Okay.
So without
True, sir.
water content, there is no taste. Like without spirituality, most of the exercises, most of the rituals have no taste at all. It is lifeless.
Suppose, sir, there is a debate regarding that spiritual experience.
Yeah,
So, how to describe it?
yeah,
Suppose there is a debate.
yeah. Now tell me.
So, how to describe?
Okay, I keep saying you want to realize God. I have to dip you inside water, and you are almost close to death. What is that you will think?
How to make myself free from the
No,
touch of you?
that will be only when you have a practical, practical thinking. Your brain itself will not think anything. You will be blank. You cannot think after some time. Your thought itself will go.
Yeah, it will completely merge.
It will completely. You are ready for death. That's it. I have
No, sir. Sir, so
I have experienced
sir,
death at least 3-4 times in my life. Reached very close to death and then escaped. Death experience is a beautiful experience. That is what is samadhi. A small child, when they are sleeping, they will have no dreams at all. When they wake up, have you seen them with a different smell, a different energy in them? Because they reached close to samadhi. That samadhi is spiritual experience.
sir, I mean, it is a state. It is a state where there is no duality. Any form of duality is not there.
No, nothing is there. You are merging to God. That is why I don't know whether you remember the quote which I mentioned. The quote is the swift. Swift is a fast movement. Swift vehicle, you know, right? It goes very fast.
Yeah, yeah.
That is why the Maruti gave the vehicle name as Swift. Smooth,
Swift.
fast flow. So
Sir,
duality to unity. Me and God is different. That thoughts from there, when we reach into unity, that shift when it happens to me, that is actually spiritual refitness.
sir.
That is what I wrote on that day. What is spiritual refitness? We are all by birth actually divine.
Okay.
Like a small child knows meditation without anybody telling. Then they sleep, they are into deep sleep. No supna, no dreams at all. So we have to practice ourselves to get into that state.
Okay.
A small child, when they breathe, you can see their belly goes up and down.
Up and down, right.
That means the child is understanding that it is breathing. It is experiencing breath. But for us to take breath, we have to feel We have to experience, you have to exercise, you have to practice. Somebody has to teach us, somebody has to tell us. Why? Because we have forgotten. God has told us, taught us many things, but we have forgotten. So that relearning is what is that we are trying to do in our life. The God created us with the Hridaya Guhara Madhye Kevalam Brahma Matram. Inside each one of our Hridayam, inside that there is a small Brahma which is given. Every child by birth it has it. That is why the child keep on asking, what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this. It is, quest is there to learn. But after some time we lost our quest. I am so happy when Kalyani wanted to ask some question. Because that quest is closely related to Brahma. Brahma is the god of creativity. The creativity comes only when there is question.
Sir.
So when you have question, who will give answer? It is Saraswati who gives answer. So that is why Brahma and Saraswati are wedded together.
Okay.
So when you get back that creativity inside you, you are spiritual.
Okay.
Because inside your Hridayam, Brahma is there. And you get a realization, you understand things, you are able to capture what somebody else is saying. Why? When I am saying something, you are able to capture it, because there is an energy within me and there is an energy within you that is matching. The frequency is same.
Okay. Biochemistry.
Yeah. That is what is realization. That is what is experiencing. That everybody cannot get. Otherwise everybody will think, oh, these are all different words. Inside the words, when I am connecting together, I am giving the message. That message is important, and that some people will not get. They get each word by word. For you, you think that it is very simple to understand, but it is not that easy to understand for many people. Because we are able to understand, we think it is very simple and easy. Only when we are in that frequency, we can understand. So getting into that frequency is an experience.
Sir, exactly. Beautiful, sir, beautiful.
That is the spiritual experience. That can be, assume you are a mother who is making a chapati, you can make a round just like that. You can talk to somebody else, you can discuss something else, you can think something else, you can watch TV, and you can do it, right?
Sir.
For getting into that, you did a lot of practices, many times.
Sir.
All that learning is ritual.
Sir.
The learning
Sir.
is religiously you practiced.
Sir.
But today when you are doing, are you thinking about it or automatically it becomes round shape?
No, automatically.
Then you have reached spirituality in making chapati. Spirituality is not closing eyes and then doing bhajans and all that. No. Spiritual is spirituality in action. Everything you do it totally devoted, forgetting everything. Do you think, Kalyani, when I am talking to you, I am thinking, putting words together, whatever knowledge I have, I am recollecting something and then making a word and then answering, or just like that it flows?
Automatically it flows.
Yeah, the way you make chapati round, I am answering you.
Sir, beautiful.
You understood?
Sir, so there is, I think the next question you have already answered.
Yeah.
There is no need of a questioning mind.
No.
Right. Sir, beautiful, sir. Sir, I have also couple of doubts.
Yeah.
I'll write down
Yeah.
to you one by one. Sir, kindly go through it, and sir, please kindly answer me.
See, we have, you know that Jayanti Sahu was the person who called me for that lecture.
Sir, she happened to be my friend.
Yeah.
We were doing our post graduation here in Utkal University.
And she and me all together is in a small group called Maya Satsang.
Okay.
So when why I called you now, when we somebody has these questions, immediately what I will do is I will post. There is a Google Meet. If you want, you can join now. If somebody is free, they will join immediately. So others also can get benefit.
Sir, please include my number,
Yeah,
so that
I'll
I
do
will
that.
join with you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
if we
okay,
can
sir.
schedule something, some specific time, maybe once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, we met a few times. If you have question, we can
Sir.
say this is the day we will meet, and then we can meet together.
Okay, sir. We will discuss. Okay.
And
Okay,
today
sir.
4 o'clock, I have another group which is called mentoring. The requirements of
Sir?
mentoring.
Mentoring.
Yeah.
Sir, for what? Mentoring for?
We have mentors, right?
Okay.
So what is
Sir?
the purpose of mentors is what we are discussing.
Okay. Sir, I want to join.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. That is at 4 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
That is
Sir.
that is like a similar student of mine who wanted to interview me on mentoring. So what I do is when somebody wanted to interview and learn few questions, immediately I will say let us make a group, then start discussing so that people can learn from that, and somebody can ask questions also.
Sir.
That's what I do.
Sir,
And all
you
these
have
discussions I
gathered so
record.
much knowledge.
All these discussions I record and then put it onto YouTube.
Okay, sir. I have just now I have seen your YouTube.
Yeah. The other
join
day,
this
the
program
Delhi lecture also I just posted yesterday.
Yeah.
Posted?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you have
posted.
posted that.
Every day, whatever is
Okay, sir.
happening, I will record, I will post it. Recording is a big job because I have to record audio different, video different, mix them together, and then all that video editing I do after this.
Sir, but you have assembled knowledge in such a way that is simply matchless. Sir, I have exactly no words to describe the way you have gathered the knowledge, particularly that knowledge which everybody wants to gather. That is there. This is an insatiate tendency of people, and
I was blessed with a great, maybe not one or two different gurus. One on meditation, Himalayan master Swami Rama, and Vedic studies.
sir, the other day you were there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, you have done Vedic study.
Vedic studies, I have got a guru who is Brahmasri KPC Anijan Bhattadripad. So if you type Dr. TPS Guru, you will see some small videos by him and on him. So when you have satsang with such people, definitely some quality will come to us. We traveled
Please
together.
include in all.
We traveled together. We discussed together. All that is what is experience.
Sir, for that grace is needed, highly needed. Grace is there, that's why you just came with each other. That is because I am in talking to you. That is ordained by the Almighty.
See,
So
there
that
are
I will come in touch
we
with
get
you.
lot of opportunities, but we don't grab opportunities. See, you gave a missed call. Immediately I called you back, right?
Sir.
Correct or not?
Sir, that is something. Sir, that is something preordained. I think that's why just the other day I heard you in a yoga something that Jayanti has arranged. That day I missed. I think I don't. You might have shared your number, but I missed it somehow. But yesterday talk I saw your number. Immediately I noted it down.
Okay.
So that is the way, sir. It's God's grace only. It
So
is the.
these days you have no college, no teaching, right?
Sir, no, I will have online classes, but
Online.
sir, it is in the morning schedule.
Okay.
So I will attend your class.
Okay.
Okay.
So how about your family?
Sir. Sir, yeah, all are fine. They are busy. I have one son and one daughter.
Okay.
Son is in 5 years law,
Okay.
and daughter is in her standard 8. So
Okay.
both are busy in their study.
Okay.
And sir, somehow it is again due to the grace of him only. That, sir, I see.
So see you in the
But
afternoon.
I want to join.
Yeah, 4
Sir,
o'clock.
sir.
4 o'clock.
Sir, please.
Sure,
please
I'll send you. I'll
include
send you the
in all
link.
your delivery.
I'll send you the link just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. God bless
sir.
you. God
Sir,
bless you.
pranam.
God
Sir,
bless you.
pranam.
God bless you.